Hey guys, Odd Couple Statue Reviews here. I'm Adrian.
I'm Jason.
And we're here with an exciting unboxing. Very exciting. We're doing today Deathstroke Premium Format Exclusive by Sideshow Collectibles. So stay tuned. Hey guys, and we're back. As I said, we're doing Deathstroke.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. My birthday's around the corner. And
why are you excited for this one, Adrian? Is it because it's an early birthday present for you?
Yes, my birthday's around the corner, and Jason, being an awesome dad as he is, actually gave it as an early gift. So I'm pretty excited to open it up and see it.
Alright.
It's a rainy day here in Sydney, but we're not letting that getting us down.
Look,
It's very
special
exciting.
thanks to DHL, man. They came out here early on a Sunday morning in the pouring rain. And as you can see, the box got a few little dings on it, but we're hoping nothing's damaged inside. So, would you like to do the honours on this one, Adrian?
Alright, I'll do the honours. He's actually trusted me.
Okay, guys, so look.
Just on the art box alone.
Art box is good. Art box is good.
Very excited.
No dings, little bunch here in the corner. Got the Sideshow exclusive there. Fantastic. Back in there so you can see the shot. Alright.
Let me see it, let me see it.
Well, look, straight off the bat, guys, I'm going to show you something. I like they've already double taped it. Okay,
Yes.
This is something new. So I like people keep saying about Sideshow's packaging, but at least, you know, they do listen.
Yeah.
You know, like when things are happening, you know, like... Okay, so that's bottom.
Bottom.
Remember, guys, always Sideshow logo on the top.
And it actually says top also.
Yes. Has top and bottom on it, so...
Oh man, I'm so pumped to see this thing.
I am too. What are these little beans everywhere?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so one thing has got me concerned. We've opened it up and there's these little beans everywhere. I don't know what they are. I hope that's not a precursor of something being broken, guys. So that's how it comes packaged. We'll remove the paper off it now.
Base looks pretty sick.
Yeah, still don't know what these beans are.
Oh, we'll find out if anything. Take that out. Got a lot of cleaning to do after
Base,
this.
guys.
Already,
Yep.
man, awesome.
Okay, so
awesome.
I thought it might have been one of these that had snapped off, but it hasn't. They're all sturdy and everything, so...
It's got the different arms there, got the body.
Alright, well, actually let's just peel back all the paper a minute. So, okay, in the top here, guys, you've got the two hands, so pull that out, Adrian. Two swords.
Here you got the two swords.
Yep. That'll be the sheath-through swords at the back, is
Yep.
packaged there. Good.
Awesome. Alright, let's start assembling it. See how it
Okay.
looks.
Pull the body out.
Look how cool that looks.
That is very good. I like the scratch marks and stuff like that.
Yeah, on the shoulder.
On the shoulder pads and that.
Yeah.
You know, shows the battle worn.
And you got a bit of worn on the boot too, actually. A bit of the colour.
Yeah. Here we go. He's one of these tricky ones to go in. Where he's got the peg, but he's also got 2 pegs. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
There you go.
Pop. There we go, straight in. Let's move this box over here. We'll put it now. Good look at him, guys.
I didn't even really need to do a review with this one. I think we just said straight off the bat.
This is why we don't do reviews straight away, guys, because when you get excited, when you pull things out of the box, you get over excited and then give it an automatic 10 out of 10. Then a few weeks down the track, you start noticing things and go, oh, what's wrong with this? And
no, you're not allowed to bad mouth my statue. That's it.
I was getting scared. I thought we were going to do one of the what that other reviewer did, where the exclusive was missing, but no, here it was. It's tucked away here in the side.
Yep.
So the exclusive bow staff, which I believe goes on this hand here. Okay, well it's a snug fit, actually. I don't know if that's magnet or just peg, actually. But it's very snug.
Can't tell very well. I don't know. Yep. Look at that.
Now, don't get excited very often, guys, but I'm excited.
He's lying. You know that. He's lying.
Yeah, if anyone's watched the
statue,
reviews,
yeah.
you all know I get excited whenever I open one. But like this one, I'm really impressed with, guys. Really, really impressed with.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
So, this is the exclusive you get with the bow staff. Or, just pop it out, hold that for a sec. You can choose to display them with the 2 swords.
What would you prefer? The exclusive or normal?
At the moment, I'm liking the 2 swords. I think only the reason to show the exclusive is probably...
Look, we have a week to fiddle around and see which one we prefer. And you'll basically, when you watch the review, when we do the review of Deathstroke, we'll let you guys know.
But look, straight away out of the box, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
There's no
100%.
buyer's remorse or anything here. From the production videos and at the Sideshow release to how he looks here in front of me, I'm still concerned. I don't know what these beads are. If anyone knows if they're packing beads or something like that, I'm not sure, but I can't see anything broken on it or anything straight off the bat to notice where it could come from. There's no damage to any of the weaponry or any little pieces that have dissolved or anything like that, so I can't see what it is. But maybe that's something that Sideshow needs to look at too, because that will freak people right the hell out as soon as they open it. If you get these, I'll just give you a close-up of what they look like. These little beans we're seeing in my hand there, if you can see them. Yeah, weird.
As long as the statue's not affected.
Yeah, the statue's not affected. Looks fantastic. I'm really impressed. How about you, Adrian?
Do I really need to say anything?
Okay, this is why we don't do the review straight away, guys. This is why we don't do the review straight away.
I reckon it'll still be the same in a week's time, my
It
friend.
probably will be, but let's see. So, guys, we'll give you a close-up of this now. Let us know in the comments what you think below. We're impressed with it.
Yeah,
very
100%.
happy with the purchase.
100%.
So, still available in limited stock at Sideshow Collectibles. We don't do affiliate links or anything like that, guys, so just jump on their website and have a look, or even better, get on the Collectiverse and go through the affiliate links there and help support getting some toys for children in hospitals around the world. So, yeah, guys, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the close-up, and remember to like and subscribe.
See you guys.